Python, the versatile programming language. In today's fast-paced world, learning Python can be a game changer. Python developers are in high demand both in India and abroad. In India, the average salary of a Python developer ranges from $1,000 to 4 to 6 lakhs per annum for entry-level positions to Rs. 10 to 15 lakhs per annum for experienced professionals. You don't need a computer science degree to excel in Python. Python has something to offer for everyone. Start learning Python today with TechieHug.